Phone cameras are pretty good these days. But to me, when recording a video, I just like real cameras. They're just so nice. So that's why I bought this. It's my HDV camera. Then I broke it, then repaired it, then broke it. If you want the full story, click the iCard. This is what happens to it. You can see everything here is shaking. So I have the solution.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. And another one.
So this is a Sony AVCHD camera, which I have imported directly from Japan. And you know, the camera actually looks really good in the pictures. Look, it's got the lens, 100% positive feedback seller. Look. And they even demonstrate that it works. They have fully tested it. It works perfectly. The only thing was, there's no way to put it into English. I mean, I have Google Translate app, so that's fine. So we have fire brick, an AC cable, the camera, and whatever this is. It looks like a power cable, so I don't think there's anything else in the box. This is fresh, straight from Japan. So power cable that I can't use. Interesting, I've never seen a NEMA style power connector with these sleeves on it. Again then, I haven't seen many NEMA style power supplies because being in the UK we don't use them. But here we go. That is that. This end. Right from Tokyo. Oh, another layer. Okay. Wow. It's in even better condition than the pictures showed. Wow. Yes, there is a bit of the H from the HD missing. This is a hard drive camera. And yeah, of course, all the labels are in Japanese, but HDMI, that's where you plug in your mini HDMI. Then a mic, flash, lens, record, wide, T, home. easy button, display button. I don't remember what that one is. And oh, it's on. Battery indicator, 50%. Does Dolby Digital 5.1, night shot. Oh, there's a slide for the analog and component for the analog video outputs. That's neat. I just realized actually. You know, I thought they would be similar. I didn't realize they'd be this similar. So, yeah, let's turn it on. According to hard drive. It always makes up the date. So here we go. I can't read any of that. Okay, here we go. London, there we go. Area. Okay, I assume this would be summertime. No. There we go. Even on this little screen, which is all low resolution, it still looks pretty good. So if I go to playback, there's obviously nothing on it. It's a fully tested device. I'm gonna head back to the regular. I can't actually know. I'm gonna get the menus. This menu, strikingly similar to this menu. At the time. So can I use this as a reference? Is this the exact same? Record mode, AVCHD, 7 megabit, 7. If I do XP, it's 15 megabit. So I want to record it in 15 megabit. I think that's 815 minutes. And XP. I'm definitely going to use XP then, because that's very good. So what does easy mode do? So it forces you to SD. I mean, not SD, into SP. This button, I assume it does what I think it does. It hides the interface. Yeah. I think I can get used to this. If I can... There's no P menu to modify though. Here I'm referencing the P menu that older handycams, such as my DVD handycam, had, which you could actually customize using the P menu setup option. But the menu that this camera and my MPEG 2 camera have does not support customization. Okay. This. Oh, this mode. Edit, delete, play edit list. It seems that Google Translate can't handle moving text. So PC connection. Okay, that's an important one to know. Hard drive memory management. So wipe the hard drive, wipe the memory stick. I've decided that I'm basically going to create myself an English printout of the menus. So here I have my Mac connected to my video capture card. So I'm going to HDMI in to the Mac. And then HDMI out to my Mac. Oh, ew. You've got to be fucking with me. You have to be joking. You're being serious. What did I do? Everything hates me. Everything hates me. All technology unanimously hates me. Why does this always happen to me? Do I just have a bad aura? Do I just radiate? Nope. Peace out to all of this technology. This means that this is a common fault with these, and that what broke this wasn't my fault. So here's something that happened, right? See this dent right here? I'll tell you what caused that. Me. Yeah, me. This is an iPhone 12 mini. I had it set up there with where the camera is right now. Charging, because I have a charger up there. And it fell and it's dented, and I want to take this apart again to hopefully get down to that point. I still think that the HDV camera was damaged by me dropping the iPhone on it from 1 meter. Dropping an iPhone on it from a meter, I still think that caused the damage to the HDV camera. I think that the AVCHD camera was either damaged before it was sent to me and the seller just didn't notice it in their testing, or it was damaged by FedEx. I don't think it was intentionally malicious from the seller, because they have such a high feedback that I don't think they'd want to tarnish that. So here I am using the camera, recording to the hard drive. You can see the issue. I'm devastated that now I have two cameras that have the exact same issue. I can't believe that it has the same issue as my HDV camera. It's like, where do I put it? I assume I need to use that. It's a massive shame. That not only does it not work correctly sometimes, I can't connect it to my computer. I need a cradle that I don't have. Comes with a USB cable, but you need the Handycam station. I'm devastated. I need to install drivers. If only I read the manual more closely. I'm devastated. Not only is it doing the same fault as the camera I tried to replace, but I need a proprietary cradle that I don't have. I might be able to find the docking station. DCRA C181. course, the cheapest one's 26 quid. I'm fucking devastated. I'm gonna message the seller. Of course, that's just my luck. Instead of having a cool AVCHD camera that I can plug into my computer with my mini USB cable that I have, I have broken AVCHD camera that I can only pull footage off of through the proprietary connector that I don't have. May I present the files? So I say, hello, I've received my Handycam today. I was very pleased with the delivery time, that's true. However, within a few minutes of testing, I noticed an issue with the camera. Right, that being the shaking. So I recorded a video on a stationary tripod just so there wouldn't be any argument of motion blur, and I linked it here, and I will insert that into the video now. So I say I was disappointed because it would prevent me from using it. So I asked whether I could return it and get a refund, or if there were any other options. So I got a response. Hello, thank you for your message. I have also carefully reviewed the video you've shared with us. After checking the footage, I agree that the camera behaviour is unusual, especially considering that it was mounted on a tripod, and it does not appear to be operating in a normal condition. I sincerely apologise, so I don't think you should go after this person. They are clearly a complete accident here. For the inconvenience. On this matter, I'd like to give you the first two options. So either I can return it for a full refund, so I can return the item to them and the item will be considered moved, or I can exchange it for the HDR SR11, which is a higher end model, which they also have on their eBay store. But I decided, look, you can see here, it's an upgraded model compared to the HDR SR8. The HDR SR8 being originally sold for $119, with this being $169. So if I choose the exchange, I will be shipped this camera free of charge with no additional cost. Once again, we sincerely apologise for the inconvenience. So I sent them back an email. So this is how I respond to them. I thank them for their quick response, of course, and I said that I would like to return it for a full refund. So I asked them to tell me what I need to do next. And this is the response I got from them. We thank you very much for it. We have noted and accepted your request for the return, right? We have already issued you a full refund. Even though refunds are usually processed after the item is returned, they said I've been very polite and a trustworthy buyer. and this attachment up here, that is the return label that they sent me to a FedEx location. So I'll now go ahead and pack it up and get ready to take it to FedEx tomorrow. I have got the label on proper now. I'm gonna put some peanuts in it. I don't think this is how they wrapped it. This is how I'm wrapping it, so... I think they sent it to me via priority, but they're sending it back to themselves using economy, probably to save a bit of cash because of how expensive it is to send stuff from and to Japan and the UK. So that's the camera. Now the power brick, which I'll use this bubble wrap for. You really can use this stuff for anything. Now I wrap the AC cable, which I don't really think needs wrapped, but I'll do it because the seller did it. The very nice seller, I must add. I do not wish you to go out after them because they are a very good seller. That's why I've censored their name. If it was a bad seller who I thought, oh, this is definitely intentional, I would put their name out there, just like Kelson in the iCard. But I feel like this is a good seller and this was a genuine mistake, so I'm not putting their name out there. So whether it was an accident from the seller or if it was FedEx, it doesn't matter, it's going back to Japan now. I wish it wasn't, I wish it was fully functional and my permanent camera now. So obviously this video did not end how I wanted it to. Obviously I wanted to end this by saying, hey, I'm going to use this camera now. It's my main camera on the main channel and this one for eternity, right? But it broke. So I'm probably just going to continue using this iPhone 12 like I have been to do the videos until I can find something else around that reasonable price. So I have it, it's in the post. I took it to the FedEx shop yesterday. Yeah, because it's Sunday now. I took it to the FedEx shop on Saturday. They should be picking it up tomorrow and taking it back. So, also please don't go attack the seller. They've been really nice and I might even buy from them again in the future. Thanks for watching. Comment, like and subscribe for more random content like this. Goodbye.